Hello. So I am finally back because when we last meet, we were discussing shapes. So I am going to continue discussing shapes while I elaborate and explain a little bit more in regards to polygons. Okay? So I think the last thing we did was we discussed some of the polygons and how many sides they had. So what I wanted to point out to you guys was that there was more, and this is not even all of them. There's many more. Recapping what I did with you the last time, we talked about the pentagon, which had 5 sides. Pentagon has 5 sides, and the other one would be hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides, and you can count them top to bottom, left to right. Top to bottom, left to right. Or you start and go all the way around and stop where you started. Okay? So if I was going to count this to see how many sides it has, I would probably do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't go back here because you already counted at the top. Okay? So this is your hexagon, and your hexagon has 6 sides. This is an heptagon. An heptagon has 6 plus 1, 7. It has 7 sides. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it has 7 sides. Your octagon, and I love to make reference to an octopus because an octopus has 8 tentacles, and a octagon has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is an octagon. Then we have a decagon. A decagon has 10 sides. 10 sides. We did not do the nanogon, which has 9 sides. Another shape that would come before the decagon is a nanogon, and a nanogon has 9 sides, while the decagon has 10 sides. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? So, with that, oh, no, sorry, 10. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. A decagon has 10 sides. So, with that said, I wanted to rush on because I want you to have a better clue as to these shapes. Okay. Even though I'm barely introducing it to you, this is not me teaching these shapes. This is me introducing it to you. So this information you can easily pull up from Google or any search engine. Okay, so it says polygons, which we're talking about right now, has a polygon is another word for shape. So if you say, for example, if we were talking about the nanogon, which we don't know what shape it is, but it's going to be similar to your octagon and your decagon. So we're saying all these shapes are polygon. All the shapes are polygon, okay? So it's the same word. We're just using polygon now because we're extending our numbers a little bit further than what we normally count. I normally stop at 10 for my kids in preschool and VPK. In VPK, yeah, I normally stop at 10, the decagon. So I just want to introduce polygon, and it's another word for shape, not just any shape though. Polygon are these kind of shapes, not polygon. These are not polygon over here. You see these shapes? They're not polygon. Polygon are these shapes. So it says in geometry, a polygon is a closed two-dimensional shape made up of straight lines, segments mean parts, called sides, that meet at their end point. For example, your triangle. Two long lines join together and they meet at a point. And those points are called vertices. Okay, vertices. Anywhere two lines meet, it creates a point. And that point, even on the star, you see all those points, all those points would be called vertices, are called vertices. Polygons have at least 3 sides and 3 angles, and their sides must be straight. So you see the circle whose line is bent. It's not straight. It's curved. Okay? These other shapes are all kind of not straight. They have some kind of curve or bend that is not straight, okay? So they can be categorized or sorted in several ways, including regular or irregular, normal or usual, not so normal, and unusual. Whether all sides are the same length, regular, or different, irregular, simple or complex, whether the sides cross. So this is just the introduction into polygons, seeing as I already start talking about it from your shapes. See? So we said there is heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Now look at this. You see this chart? This chart has the name of all the polygons from 4 And it did not mention a triangle, but so I'm just going to go ahead and say from the number 4 to 100, there is all different numbers representing sides, straight lines where two meet. So for four-sided, it's a tetragon or a quadrilateral. And remember, so we have 4. We're not going to get to do all of these, but I want to make sure that you're still understanding the context. 6, 7, 8, and I don't have a 9, but so we have your 5 sides. If it has 5 sides, it's a pentagon. Your 6 side, hexagon. Your 7 side, heptagon. Your 8 side, octagon. Your 9 side, nonagon. Then you have the 10th side, which is a decagon. And normally, again, this is where I stop. But sometime if I'm going on with the letters and numbers together, then I will add these other sided, in bigger sided polygon for your, because it can be fun. So we have the 6-sided, which is an hexagon. Hexagon for the 6 side. Let's put it over here. And number 4 right there. Number 5 was the pentagon. We're not going to get to match all of them, but I'm going to at least keep the numbers similar, close to it. Okay. Then we have a ep. Can you say that with me? Heptagon. Heptagon. And you can even clap it 7 times. Heptagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Heptagon. See, I was sounding it out. And then I'm clapping it at the same time. That doesn't work. So we have a heptagon. And an heptagon has 7 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. We have octagon. Octagon is like the octopus. He has 8 sides. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did I do 9? We're doing 8. Sorry. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got to remember to stop where the last number that we need. The last number, which is the number 8. Then we have a nonagon. Nonagon has 9 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? 9 sides. And the last one I'm going to do is, for now, is decagon. Your decagon has 10 sides. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! We did it. 10 sides is a decagon. So you have to remember this. 4 sides, pentagon. 6 sides, hexagon. 7 side, heptagon. 8 side, octagon. 9 side, nonagon. 10 side, decagon. Alrighty, so now that we've introduced and did a little preliminary, there goes that, on your polygons. Polygon, shapes. Polygon, shapes. Same word. same meaning. So the next time you see a 6-sided, 7-sided, or even 10-sided shape, you will know the name of it. Good job. Keep listening, keep learning. Until next time.